Are you looking for a budget smartphone that doesn't compromise on performance? The Moto G Power 2023 might just be the perfect choice for you. In this video, we'll dive into its design, performance, battery life, and more to see if it's worth your money. Let's get started. Starting with the design, the Moto G Power 2023 features a sleek plastic build that feels solid in hand. It has a 6.5-inch HD Plus IPS LCD screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and gaming buttery smooth. While the resolution is only HD+, the vibrant colors and decent brightness make it enjoyable for media consumption. Under the hood, it's powered by a MediaTek Helio G85 processor paired with 4GB of RAM, for everyday tasks like browsing, social media, and light gaming. It performs reliably. However, it's not built for heavy gaming or intensive multitasking. It runs on Android 13 with a near-stock experience, ensuring minimal bloatware and a clean user interface. The Moto G Power comes with a triple camera setup, a 50MP main camera, a 2MP macro, and a 2MP depth sensor. The main camera delivers decent results in good lighting, capturing detailed shots with natural colors. Low-light performance, however, is average at best. The 8MP front camera is great for selfies and video calls but struggles in dim environments. Battery life is where the Moto G Power shines. With a massive 5000 mAh battery, you can easily get through to days of moderate use. Whether it's streaming, gaming, or chatting, this phone won't let you down. Plus, it supports 15W fast charging to quickly get you back up to speed. So, should you buy the Moto G Power 2023? If you're looking for a budget-friendly phone with a smooth display, solid battery life, and clean software, it's a great option. That's it for our review of the Moto G Power 2023. What do you think about this device? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.